In this video, we'll find the value of an algebraic expression. The given value is x plus 1 by x equals square root of 3. We need to find the value of 1 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 12 plus x to the power 18. Now the given value is x plus 1 by x equals square root of 3. If we take cube power on both sides, we have x plus 1 by x whole cube equals square root of 3 whole cube. Now we know that a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So we can apply this formula and we can write from the above expression as x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times x times 1 by x times x plus 1 by x equals square root of 3 cube gives us 3 square root of 3. Since we have square root of 3 whole cube, we can write this as square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 equals 3 times square root of 3. So now we have x cube plus 1 by x cube plus we can cross x with this x and we can write 3 times x plus 1 by x equals 3 square root of 3. Now we know the value of x plus 1 by x as square root of 3. We can put this value and we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times square root of 3. The value of x plus 1 by x equals square root of 3 equals 3 square root of 3. Next we can take 3 square root of 3 on the right side and we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube equals 3 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3. Now we can simplify and we can write x cube times x cube is x to the power 6 plus 1 equals 0. Or we can cross multiply x cube with 0 and we can write x to the power 6 plus 1 equals x cube times 0. From here we have x to the power 6 plus 1 equals 0. Or we have x to the power 6 equals minus 1. We'll use this value to get our required expression value. Our required expression is 1 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 12 plus x to the power 18. So we can write 1 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 12 plus x to the power 18. Next we have equals 1 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 6 whole square plus x to the power 6 whole cube. Since we know that if we have a to the power m times n, we can write this as a to the power m whole to the power n. So we have applied these exponential rules here. Now we can put the value of x to the power 6, and we know the value of x to the power 6 is minus 1. So you can put the value of x to the power 6, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole cube. Now we have equals 1 plus minus times is minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square gives us 1 and minus 1 whole cube gives us minus 1, and minus 1 times plus equals minus 1. So we have this 1 and this 1 cancels, and plus 1 minus 1 cancels, equals 0. So this is our required value for the given algebraic expression. So this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video.